My company owns and manages ambulatory surgery centers and hospitals all around the U.S. We had zero visibility into what these facilities were doing. All we could see is the financials, the end product. Since implementing Intacct, we have already been able to show our executives the power of the information that they now have at their hands. They can make decisions a lot quicker, and they know what they're looking at. They can actually get to the information right away.
Renal Ventures is a dialysis company. We manage and operate dialysis facilities throughout the country. We have a joint venture strategy. So each of our operating clinics is its own individual joint venture, its own EIN, its own set of books. But we were on QuickBooks prior to moving over to Intacct. So the way QuickBooks operates is they're individual databases, and there's not really a way to look across those individual databases. And now we have reports that have those key metrics that we use both operationally within finance and accounting. We use them for our operational team out in the field. And as importantly, we use that with our joint venture partners.
Without any training, I have set up some of our executives, and they have asked me directional questions like, is this the right place to go? But they had already done most of the figuring out on their own. It's allowed us to move away from so many manual processes that we're able to actually perform value-added services in analyzing the financials instead of just creating them or computing them.
As a healthcare company, specifically a dialysis company, there's key metrics that really drive our business, and the most important ones are really revenue per treatment, labor per treatment, and supplies per treatment. And when you can look at those things on an individual entity basis or within a region or across all of our regions and entities, it really provides insight as to which centers outperforming, which centers are right in the middle, and which ones are the underperformers.
Information is not useful unless you can analyze it and then make decisions based on that analysis. So now we're able to analyze the information and help our executives make decisions.
Intacct has allowed finance to spend more time analyzing our information, and now we're spending our resources looking more forward instead of looking back at history.